Okay, we're going to talk about different animals and how they treat their babies. Here's the monkeys. They're giving their babies a free ride. And monkeys give their kids baths just like your mom gives you a bath. They give hugs and kisses just like your parents give you hugs and kisses. They find you food and make sure you're eating healthy. Here's a lioness teaching her cub how to walk. And when she wants to give him a free ride, she grabs him by the back of the neck and carries him. That's crazy. Polar bears teach their kids how to slide down snowy hills. Kangaroos give their baby joeys a ride in a pouch. Then they don't teach them how to walk, they teach them how to hop. Elephants love hugs too. And so do parrots. They sit really close to each other and lean into each other. Okay, so as Mother's Day approaches, let's draw a Mother's Day picture of us as birds. We're going to do a bird family. So you can draw you and your mom, or you and your mom and your brothers and sisters, whatever you want. So here we go. You need a piece of paper, and this is what we're going to try to draw today. So grab a piece of paper, maybe some markers, and we'll start with just some wavy lines. And we're going to make the mom bird first. You can pick any color you'd like, and you're going to do kind of a swoopy back line. See how it swoops? And then we're going to make a swoopy line in the front. We need to put a beak in there. Okay, and then of course an eyeball. We're only going to see one eyeball because this is a side view. And then we're going to take another color and draw you. You can be any color you want. And then we got to draw your beak, and you're looking up at your mom. So now we need to draw two legs on each of our birds, and each of our birds have three little toes. You actually can't see on my film, but trust me, there are three little toes. And then we're going to start to color in. I'm going to write on here, home, H-O-M-E, and new word, is I-S, where, W-H-E-R-E, your, Y-O-U-R. And then I'm going to change to a different color for the word mom. Home is where your mom, M-O-M, and then back to purple for is. So home is where your mom is. That's our cute little drawing for today. Now that we have the fun part, we get to color this in. So you can decorate this in any way you want. You can put some grass on the bottom. You can color your birds any colors, rainbow colors. I'm probably just going to color mine red and blue. But I'll add some flowers and, you know, some other decorations to make it super special. I might add a heart. However you want to do it. Make it your drawing. Just have fun with it. Maybe pick your mom's favorite colors. So my mom's favorite color was pink. So I'm going to color her in pink. And she is going to love my pink bird. And color all around. And I kind of colored over the eyeball, but that's okay. I could go ahead and put the eyeball in back darker, you know, if I want. So try to color in all the places so that there's no white spaces. Take your time. Just have fun with it. Now I'm going to take let's see, a yellow marker to color in the beak, both beaks, and then maybe I'll color a blue one so you can see her eyeball, because her eyeball kind of got lost in that whole thing. Great. And then I'm just going to add some more decorations. And you go ahead and color it any way you want.